Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. I just got to this roadside here. I'm parked, I'm getting ready. It's hot out, it's around 70, 75 degrees, and no wind, a little bit of wind I guess you could say. And honestly I have no idea what's going on. I mean, you guys saw in our last video, we did some white bass fishing from shore, from the bank, right, backwater stuff. My dad and I ran into a nice school of shallow white bass. Hopefully in this section right here we can figure something out. Again, I have no idea what's going on. We're just gonna try it out. I might end up going to a different spot. I don't know. Let's go have some fun. The water is flooded. I'll see if I can get out there, cast around these laydowns and get a white bass or two. So with that being said, stay tuned. I'll see you guys. We're already out here and let's go have some fun. Oh yeah. So I did forget to mention that WaterLand as the shade that you guys are wearing. These are the new shades that they sent me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up real quick for you guys. Man, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I love these. They're so okay. Hold on. I need 2 hands for this. And I guess these are like the new ultimate bass fishing sunglass, right? I need these for other things too, but I'm gonna wear this today too, actually. So you guys see that right there? It has like this nice side cover. That way, you know, you guys can bed fish or sight fish a lot better. Because I can tell you guys. Let me put it on. I'll talk to you guys. All right. So how do I look? Pretty cool. So these shade right here. Sorry, I didn't mean to stick my whole finger. But so the shade, the little protection right here, is to block off any kind of UV light coming through from the side and giving you a glare when you're sight fishing, bed fishing, whatever you want to use it for. Thanks WaterLand for sending me such an awesome shade. I can't wait to try it out. Let's go fishing. Jeez. Oh yeah, this water's really high, bro. Nope, ain't gonna make it with the boots. Oh jeez. Gosh. Just kicked mud all over my shoes here. Crap. It's not like they bite far, they bite pretty close. Just hope they're here. Should be. Oh, I got white bass. Yes. Oh my gosh. He's right here, right in front of me. Jeez. Oh my god, where's the net? Dude, they're actually here. Yes. Oh my gosh. Let's go, dude. Dude, I'm so geeked. Oh my gosh. It's a fatty too. Yes. Yep, I was recording. Nice. Dude, heck yeah, man. Oh, I'm so happy. Excited. Freaking fish bit so close, dude. Like so close. Oh, he followed me all the way to the shoreline. That's so cool. Why did it fight so hard? It scared the crap out of me. Like, I can't express to you guys enough how much fun it is to go into like flooded laydowns like this and fish for white bass. It's almost as if you're on a mission. Like, there's no in and out of it. It's just, you just do it and you just, you know, just hope that they're there, and they are here. You know, it's not gonna be like a fire every cast bite, but man, it feels good to just find them, search and destroy. Got one. Yep, it's another white bass. Let's go. Dude, they fight so hard over here. Oh my gosh. Look at him go. Gotta be very careful. I got 4-pound test on. Yes, dude. Man, that feels good. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. Like, he looks like a straight up warrior, dude. Dude, these cold water white bass are the best, man. It smells so good. Y'all haven't had you guys haven't had white bass taco? Y'all missing out, man. This is like, ain't that crazy how like fish in different counties, I guess, the ones that travel to different areas, they fight different. They're just that much stronger and furious. The only reason why I want to put 2 jig heads on is so I cast a little further. That's it. Other than that, got one. Never mind. There we go. Oh my gosh, dude. Relax, relax. It's not even that big. You fight hard as heck. Jeez. Look at him go. Man, these fish are built different, dude. Where's my net? Oh, it's on me. Yes, dude. Oh, it is pretty nice. What the heck? Bro. This is amazing, man. I just want to get a picture of it. Hold on. It's so good to catch white bass. I need to put this thing a little lower. Oh my goodness. That's so cool. So far, I love these glasses, man. They are comfortable. I don't feel sweaty in them. I don't feel air coming through my eyes. I'm turning like this side right here, like to the left. The sun is not reflecting from the water into my eyes, you know, into the shades. So I love that it's protected like this. I finally found glasses that I like after like 6 pairs of other ones. Got another one. Yep. Oh my gosh. Dude, fights so hard. Look at him go. Look at him go. He's not even that big. He's fighting hard as heck. Where's the net? Oh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Depending if I want to keep all of them now, man. They fight this. You know, I'm gonna let this one go. I just want the big chunky ones. See ya. Like, man, how do you say no to that, you know? Just crushing bait. Hard as heck, dude. It's crazy. Oh, got one. Dude, I paused and he grabbed it. Yep. It's like 10, 15 feet away from me. Oh my gosh. Fight so hard. Relax, relax. Open the drag. Dude, that's a nice one. Yep, this is one I keep. Look at that, guys. See if there's any other one with it. Oh, that's so fun. Let's see if I can get on camera. Yeah, look at that. That's a nice one right there. Dandy. That's a dandy fish. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a freaking tank. Better size, that's for sure. Let me educate you guys real quick. This stuff right here is visible and you can avoid it. Alright? There's a knife right here. This thing right here. This thing right here will cut you faster than anything you can imagine. Look how razor it is. Like, yeah, that will freaking cut you open. Wide freaking open like a knife, dude. It's crazy. So, I don't know if you guys know, but when you get a white bass like commit and hit your lure, it literally feels like the world stopped on you. Everything just go pause, and then you know they're on. They hit it that hard. It's so cool. Especially on like light tackle like this too, man. It's so fun. Oh my gosh! He came out of nowhere. Did you guys even see that? Came from the trees, dude. What the heck? Bro, where did you come from? Right in front of me. And it's a nice one. What the heck? Did you guys see that? He came out from like the branch right there. He ambushed it. Wow, dude. You, sir, are gonna go on the stringer. You freaking wrecked me, man. Whoa. That woke me up. That's exactly what I mean, guys. Like, literally, my lure's right here. And he came out, the fish came out right from those little twigs are. Whew. So with the shades, I could see it, you know? I saw the whole thing happen right in front of me. Man, that was intense. Catch and release, guys. I got like 5 big ones over there. Here we go. So here's my setup, right? I have a light action rod, 6'9", size 2000 reel. I'm running 4-pound test fluoro with 6-pound test leader, right? 6-pound test fluoro leader. Now the reason being is that, I don't know if you guys know this, and probably people never told you guys this, but did you know that when there's wind out there, like there's a consistent wind coming, 5 to 10 miles per hour wind doesn't blow around fluoro as much as braid. Braid should be like on your the last choice of like casting in the wind, right? Because braid just catch wind. The wind will just blow the braid like crazy. When you make that cast, the wind will just blow your lure to where you're not casting. So with floral, the wind doesn't bring it out as much as a bow. So that way you can make accurate casts. Like I said, it's light. The 6-pound test floral, you can make that nice smooth cast into where you want to cast, right? Like I can just do this right here and it'll go out really far. I'm using 1/8 ounce. Look at that. So the bowl is less from a braid, right? I'm not saying there's no bowl at all. There is a little bowl happening for the wind, but it's not as bad as braid. Braid will just cause a whole mess of wind knot, you know? That is my setup here. That is why I use floral when I throw swim baits for crappies, white bass, rock bass, whatever. Oh my gosh, right in front of me, guys. Look at him go. This is so funny. Oh, where's a nice one? Oh my goodness. That's a nice one. It's a really nice one. Now that's a freaking tank. That's a tank. Oh my goodness, bro. They just keep getting big. Yeah, see, this is the size I want right here. My goodness, bro. Let me get a selfie with this right here. Oh my, right in front of me. Wow. What the heck? Dude, he scared the crap out of me. Jeez. Look at him. Man, it's a nice one, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh, scared the crap out of me, bro. Oh my gosh, man. Look at that, guys. Beautiful fish. Good eats. So fresh. Ah, smells so good. They're just nailing it today, guys. I don't know what it is, but they're nailing the bait. Got them. Yep, they're back. It's a tugger. It's a nice one. He's not that big, but he's a medium size. Oh yeah, he'll qualify. He got some nice back to him. Do will qualify. Well, guys, that was fun. Yeah, I don't know, man. That was cool. It was fun. Again, focus on laydowns. It is time for the white bass to spawn, pre-spawn, spawn, post-spawn, whatever you want to call it. Get out there, throw some plastic, moving baits, swim baits, you know, 2 to 3 inches, 1/8 ounce. If you go lighter, power to you too, 1/16 ounce. Don't have much to say other than I had a great time. I hope to see you guys soon. We're going to look for some more white bass. I'll see you guys out in the water. Peace!